Hello, potion seller. I'm going into battle, and I need only your strongest potions.
You cannot have my potions, traveller. My potions are too strong for you.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to another episode with Ignition Junkies. And what are we doing today, Steve?
We're doing anti-roll bars and drop links.
Because they are knocking
like a bitch.
like a bitch. Right, so what anti-roll bar have you got then? Here's one I made earlier.
Cusco, straight over from Japan. 120% more rigid than stock. It's going on the front. So I thought, why upgrade the drop links and then do the LB later? Why not do them all at the same time? So that's what we're doing. And then drop links wise, we got these Cusco, pretty much look like standard, but they're hardened, uprated, etc, etc. And they're going to be going on the front to replace the knocking bastards.
So let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Right, Stov, what tools do we need for the job?
To do this job, we're going to need the jack stands, breaker bar, set of nuts, these nuts.
We
got a 14mm ratchet spanner, is a lot easier. We've got a Allen key, which fits in there.
Nice.
That's
Nice
how-
and snug.
Because that's how that's going to work. And then a little whizzer is always going to help.
Little whizzle-roo.
We're not quite sure what the bolts are on the anti-roll bar mountings, but we'll tell you when we get there.
You want to take it off, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one of mine. I'm thinking about getting rid of that. Just makes it look so clean underneath.
It does, yeah, but it's a pain in the ass because if you ever want to do any like servicing and stuff, take that off. And put it back on.
Yeah. She in there nice and snug. They're a bit worn, aren't they?
Bit warm, mate, but we'll get some new ones on there. I think these are only made of plastic.
Are they?
I think so.
Oh, God, no wonder why you went for the uprated ones, huh?
Yeah. Taking this off and then getting these off.
Yeah.
Whoa! Allen key goes in the middle to stop it from spinning around.
Give it a bit of welly. Is it giving?
No, it's twisting. Yeah, it keeps twisting.
So what's the plan of attack there, Stephen?
We're gonna have to grind it.
Grind it.
Grind it.
Grind it. Cut it off.
Sparks.
Some safety glasses.
Hope if this worked. Aren't you working? Don't film this. Hey. To grind off one of the bolts for the drop link, which had seized, and it was rounding off the Allen key hole. So it's a hole. It had rounded out, and went to grind it off, and the battery died. So one thing after another. It was quarter to 4 on a Sunday, and we were like, oh, for God's sake. So yeah, we've managed to just in time get to a hardware store, and voila, new battery. So we'll be back after just these moments.
After this quick commercial break.
After this quick commercial break.
That's so typical. So, for the audience, Steve, what's the purpose of an anti-roll bar?
Anti-roll bar, mate. This thing here, and it connects one side of the suspension to the other via these drop links straight onto the low control arms.
Yeah.
And what he'll do, he will firm up the ride. You get one front and one back, and it helps decrease the roll when you're going at speed around a corner.
Awesome.
It can help with oversteer, understeer, but basically it drastically improves the handling of the car from stock, and it basically firms up the ride and makes the handling more rigid.
And how does that make you feel?
It makes me rigid.
You got it off.
It's old and forked.
Look at that. Look at the comparison. Oh baby.
Oh baby, I just want to try and take that little roof now. Ta-da!
She's off.
She's off. Time to get the anti-roll bar out.
Let's get the anti-roll bar off now. Poly bushing and all that goodness.
Right, here we go.
Bolt.
Yeah, and just the same on the side. So,
Awesome.
Yeah, don't have to record that.
No, see you in a sec. Out with the old, in with the new. Right, so we got her in, didn't we, Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took a lot of persuading.
Yeah.
There was a few things which we didn't foresee, but we've overcome them.
We've done a Bear Grylls. Adapt, improvise,
Yeah,
overcome.
Improv and overcome, Raw Marines. And now we've just got to put the mounts on, and then we'll stick the drop links on and bish bash bosh.
Sweet. There's your new mounts. Lovely jubbly.
Just like that.
What are we doing here, Steve?
One thing we've actually learned from the Honda scene, is to, like Spoon Sports UK, every bolt you take out, if it ever comes that you have to take it out again, put some copper grease on it, and then that saves you a lot of pain next time if you ever have to take this bolt out again.
Spoon Sports UK.
Spoon Sports UK.
So that is the anti-roll bar on. It's looking tidy.
That's the Stiffy boy. Stiffy boy's on. Now it's time for Cusco drop links.
Let's go. Spoon Sports UK.
Spoon Sports UK. Bruh.
Bruh. She's in.
She's on. I can't feel the nuts. It's beautiful. Again. So,
There we go.
sweet.
She's on.
Ragged, as you can see, a new anti-roll bar and new drop links, and we're now going to take her out for a ride and see how she handles.
Yeah, boy.
Get on the road.
So like all car enthusiasts, you'll find us at your local Macca's.
Macca's!
God, the handling's amazing already.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Yeah.
A lot smoother.
No clunky.
No clunky from knocking drop links. It's decent.
mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, yeah. I'm going to do some hard corners in a minute.
It's a plumb hard corners.
Some hardcore. Yes, mate. What other plans we got, Curtis?
Right, so
Just want to see how she handles on this roundabout. Ah,
you ruined it.
ruined it.
Goddamn Peugeot. Yeah, she's handling it nice. Nice.
Not bad.
Not bad. She handled alright, didn't she?
Yeah. A lot better than the old Andy roll bar.
Oh yeah, definitely a lot better. Right, so we hope you enjoyed the video. Got a lot done today. Job took a bit longer than expected. So we got more content coming your way as always. So be sure to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment in the comment section, and all our social medias down below. And
My car's officially modified.
we'll see you on the next video. Peace.